Hello kids! Today we are going to do some interesting worksheet activities. Dear parents, we are going to do some activities which help to develop your child's thinking skills, imagination and creativity. Please guide them to do these activities. Your guidance is very much important. The first one is a sorting activity. Children, do you remember the sorting activity we have learnt in the physical development class using pulses? In that, you had learned to separate the pulses according to their color, size and category, isn't it? Here, in this worksheet, you have to sort animals. Here, you can see different animals and you have to sort it and count and write each animal in the box given. Here you can see monkeys, giraffe, teddy bear and tiger. You have to count them each and you have to write in the box. First one is monkey. So what you have to do? You have to count and see how many monkeys are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there, children? 5 monkeys are there. So you have to write in this box 5. Understood, children? Here we are doing the sorting activity. Understood? The next question is write the number to sequence the actions. Write the number to sequence the actions. In this, you can see various shots of a birthday party. Identify and understand how the event take place and give the number to each shot in correct order. You have to identify and understand the order of the event took place. If a child can relate an event in correct sequence, that they will understand the structure of the events or story more easily and as a result strengthen their ability to communicate more ideas and concepts. Children, please see. Here you can see in the first picture the children are cutting the cake. Here you can see Mama placing the birthday candle. In this you can see the birthday cake and here they are eating. So you have to see carefully what will come first. Observe carefully, children. Yes, for doing a birthday party, what we have to do first? We have to keep the cake ready, isn't it? In these pictures, which picture will come first? Yes, children, you have to keep the cake ready. So, you have to put number 1 for this picture. So, you have to write inside the box number 1 like this. This activity is called sequencing of event. Now, you have to see which will come next. There you have to put number 2, number 3, number 4 like that. Understood, children? What is this activity called as? Sequencing. Children, draw a line to match each picture shown on the left with its pair shown on the right. The next question is about pairing. In this, the child has to pair the things that will go together. Children, you have to identify the objects in the first set and match it with the objects that go along with the second set. The first picture in the first set is a sock. Look at the objects in the second set and find out what will go with the sock. This picture is a sock, so you have to see what all things are there, what all pictures are there in the second set. This is a spoon, star, a chair, a key and a shoe. So children, none of these objects have any connection with the sock except the shoes. Understood children? None of these objects have any connection with the sock except the shoe. So, what you have to do, we need to wear socks before we put on shoes. In this way, socks and shoes are connected. So, these are the pairs. Understood children? These are called the pairs. So, you have to match the sock to the shoe. This is called pairing. Now children, in the first set, the second picture is a lock. You have to observe carefully in the second set which picture will go along with the lock. Then this is the picture of a fork. Here you can see a moon. And the last picture in the first set is a table. You have to observe the pictures of the second set and you have to pair the pictures. Understood children? You have to do the rest. Now, the next question is color the picture using the cord. Look at the numbers given in the picture of a butterfly. Here you can see the parts of the butterfly and the numbers are given on the parts of the butterfly. A color is suggested in the help box for each number. Number 1 is yellow color. Number 2 is blue. Number 3 is green. 4 is orange and the 5 is red. So you have to see which number is there for 1. Yes children? Which color will you give? Yellow, correct. So, because the suggested color for the wings is yellow, we have to color yellow in the wings. You start coloring. So children, we have given on the wings yellow color according to the number given. Number 1, you have to give yellow color. So we have finished yellow coloring. Now you have to see which numbers are there and give the colors according to the code. Understood children? You have to complete the activity like this. Isn't it fun children? Hope you enjoyed. See you. Bye.